are back in New Orleans. Let me let you see the background. So here is the background. Yucky, yucky. There's the New Orleans Bridge. But yes, you guys, we are back. We're about to go ahead and make our 8-hour drive back to Little Rock. So Walter went to go grab some juice. I did not have breakfast, which they did have the same big feast for breakfast. We opted just to drink juice because I have to take my medications, and yeah, we're just gonna end up going back home because it'll probably be about 5 o'clock or 6 by the time we get home. And you guys, I'm sorry for not closing out the vlog like not at all like any other nights that we've been on this ship, but you ready? Let's try. Getting off the boat now. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Carlene. If this is your first time stopping by the channel, this is where I do realistic vlogs, and I try to do it as realistic as possible. You guys, we are on our way to Oklahoma, Tulsa, Oklahoma. A matter of fact, my grandson is a basketball player. That's his sport. His parents is grooming him for the NBA. That's it. That's if it happens and when it happens. So we're gonna speak that into existence. He really loves basketball. So you guys, I am actually packing my you know what? Do I want to take these shades? Oh, that'll be a good look. Look at these shades right here. Those would be cute. I'm going to wear this outfit. I think I'm gonna pack this outfit, which I think this is so pretty. And get my shoes off of it. I know this room is a little junky for now. That's okay. I'm gonna pack this outfit. I'm gonna wear this. Let's see if I'm gonna wear this. It actually cinches in, like it cinges in and then like that. But anyway, I'm gonna actually wear this outfit, which is really, really pretty. I'm gonna wear these. These are Gianni Benny. I'm gonna carry these shoes. I haven't worn them yet. Here is the designer. Let's see if I can. That's the designer. Hey guys, so I'm back in the room. Walter is over sitting on the couch. I would put it on him, but he's not decent. I wouldn't put him out like that. But anyway, we're back in the room. We're watching the draft. Well, he's watching it. I'm not. I'm about to go to sleep. So you guys, I got this outfit from Target. I think it was Target I got it, but it fits really nice. And it's got little sheep on it. I think I didn't take this on the cruise, did I?
No.
Anyway, I wish I did, because this would have been nice to wear. But we never walked on the ship. Like, we pretty much stayed in the room. Like, I felt like I really didn't get time to relax. I felt like I was always on the go. Maybe next time I'll be able to relax, which I doubt, because I'm probably not going to want to relax, because we have a Alaskan cruise set to come in October. We still doing that one?
Yes.
So yeah, we're trying to do that. So anyway, look at this picture back here on the back wall. Let's see. Look at that big. Isn't that picture pretty back there? Very abstracty. It's really cute. So this room, it's really nice, but however, it has a really stank smell. Like, it has a stank smell, and I don't know what that smell is, but I did 30 minutes on the elliptical, 50 pound leg crunches, 20 ball thrust, 20-pound abdomen crunch with the weights. Yeah. Oh, here's your Raiders Nation.
With the 104 pick in the 2023 NFL Draft, Las Vegas Raiders, Miss Raiders,
So I'm out of the shower and I am about to, I guess my hair looks okay. Yeah, that's water. Water and product. See it? That's product. My hair is growing back slowly but surely. Yeah, it's growing back surely. I have real different hair. My grandbaby has my hair tight. Very much so. I'm not sure if hers is looser than mine, but basically she has my hair tight. Yeah. What am I gonna say? Fragrance of the day is Fenty, which I love this. What is her name? I still can't think of the child's name. Shayla. Makeup Shayla. Oh my God. It finally come to me. Okay. I saw Makeup Shayla because I don't have an Instagram anymore. I used to. My Instagram was deleted somehow, canceled, deleted, and I just never uploaded a new one. But however, I do have an Instagram for my clothing boutique. So that is the fragrance for the day. And I also sprayed myself with a little bit of this Bath and Body Works. What is this called? Sunflower. Cachet Sunflower, which I actually sprayed myself with some of this. And I went back and washed my face, and I used a little bit more of this product here. So, yeah. Then run the pick through my head, scratch my scalp. Let me tell y'all, I'm real hesitant about getting products from TJ Maxx for natural hair products that you see in TJ Maxx. I don't know how long they've been on the shelf. I'm trying not to say that that's the reason for. Well, let me just really break it down to y'all. I cut my hair because of COVID. Since I had COVID, my hair has really, it's really shedded and came out. Turkey and guacamole. Oh, these fruit cups are nice. Oh, I need to get one of these. I think I'm gonna get one of these. Strawberry yogurt parfait. I'm gonna get the Greek. I'm gonna get the Greek yogurt.
You gonna take it back to the hotel for later on?
No, I'm gonna have it for breakfast.
Oh. You got the Cowboy Club, got the brochette chicken, good turkey.
Oh, look at the bagels. I want to got a salmon bagel or salmon cream cheese. Oh. There you go. Panned you in the video.
Oh no, I can like that sign. That it is. Hey, go outside real quick, see if you like it. We'll go out there.
Okay. Okay, let's see. I don't think it feels bad out here. Oh, I think I'm coming out here. It feels good out here. It feels good out here. We'll go in that little corner over there. It feels good out here. To the hotel, and then after we come back to the hotel, we're gonna turn around and explore a little shopping before we go to the game. So we have to be at the game, what, 2:45?
Yes.
We have to be at the game by 2:45. Hey you guys, it is now 12:05 a.m. Sunday morning. Sorry, I did not close out the vlog for Saturday. We just got out of the pool, and I'm about to eat the rest of my. I'm about to eat my cheesecake. Let me show y'all. I forgot to show you guys that they had a refrigerator here, and I'm about to eat. Let me show you guys. Let's see.
Or you don't want to compare him to Aaron Donald, but we've got a graphic to do exactly that.
I'm about to eat. This is the cheesecake that we got.